Today in this video lecture we are going to learn the chapter number 2, that is polynomial. Now you all are familiar with the word polynomial, but we will see before we deals with the polynomial we will see what mean by the term. Here see 3x. So in 3x one number is there and one letter is there. So this number is known as your numerical coefficient or coefficient, and this x is known as your variable. Okay, so this number is always remain constant and x is changing according to the equation. So when this variable and coefficient comes together, they will made one term. Now we will come to our point, that is polynomial. So what mean by polynomial? Before that, some examples is given here. You may see here, that is 2x, 3y square, 2xy. These are the examples of terms. So we will come to the point, that is polynomial. So what mean by polynomial? So the chain of terms is known as your polynomial. Means when one or more than one terms are comes together, they will make a chain that will be known as your polynomial. For example, it is given here 2x plus 1 or 3y square plus 3y plus 1. These are the examples of polynomial. Okay, now the terms involved in the polynomial, depending on that, some types are there of the polynomial. So we will see now the types of polynomial depending on terms. Okay, so there are the three types of the polynomial: monomial, binomial and trinomial. So by the name only you can understand. Mono means what? 1, bi means what? 2, and tri means 3. So the polynomial in which only one term is involved, that is monomial. The polynomial in which two terms are involved, that is binomial, and the polynomial in which three terms are involved, that is trinomial. For example, also given here, monomial example is given as 4x, binomial example is given as 4x plus 2, and trinomial example is given as 4x plus 3x plus 1. It is there. Okay, so these are the types of polynomial. Now we will come on another concept, that is degree. Okay, so what is meant by the degree? Degree is nothing but the highest power of that variable which is involved in the polynomial, that is called as your degree. Means, for example, here see, we have one polynomial. Now here it is looking p of x. So what mean by this? It means that every polynomial is denoted like this: p of x. X is that variable which is involved in the polynomial, and p means polynomial. P of x means this is the polynomial x. So p of x is equal to what given? X raised to 4 plus x square plus 2. This is the our polynomial. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Here see, as definition it is given what? The highest power of that variable which is involved in the polynomial, right? So what is the variable is here? Variable is x, and what is the highest power? Here see, here power is 4, here is power is 2. So highest power is 4, so highest power is 4. That's why the degree of this polynomial p of x is 4 there. Okay, now another we will see the types of polynomial. Now these types are depending on degrees. Okay, previously we have seen the three types of polynomials. Those are the types of polynomial which are depending on terms which are involved in that. Now we will see the types of polynomial depending on degrees. Means according to the degree also there are terms, types of polynomial are there. These are linear, quadratic and cubic. So what mean by this? So very simple, it is linear. Means the polynomial in which the degree is 1, that is called as your linear. The polynomial that having the degree as 2, that is called your quadratic, and the polynomial which having the degree as 3, that will be known as your cubic polynomial. Some examples also given here. Here see, x plus 1. Now when we are writing the power 1, we never write it. We are keeping as it is the variable. So it is nothing written, means 1 is there. So x plus 1. So degree is 1. Highest power is 1, that is degree is 1. So that's why it is linear. Now here see example given as x square plus 2x plus 1. So here it is power 1. Nothing means here it is power 1, and here it is square means 2 power. So highest power will be your 2. So that's why it is quadratic equation, or otherwise also called as quadratic polynomial. Now here see example is given as x cube plus 2x square plus 1. Okay, so in that what? The highest power is 3, that is degree is 3. So that is yours cubic polynomial. Okay, now we will see some solved examples which are based on this learned part. So question number 1, see how it is given. Give one example of a binomial of degree 20. Okay, so means in the solution what we have to find out? We have to find out such a polynomial which is binomial also and having the degree as 20. So binomial means what? Two terms. So m plus 1, these are the two terms, so it is binomial, and m having the power as 20, so it is highest power, so that's why it is m raised to 20 plus 1. This is the required polynomial we have here. Now we will come to the question number 2. So give two examples of each of a trinomial of degree 10. Here also same like a question is there, only what is the difference is there, degree we required as a 10 and type we required as trinomial. So trinomial means three terms, that is 2m plus m and 3. So three terms are there, and now here having the degree as 1 and here having the degree as 10. So highest degree is 10, so that is highest power is 10, so this which is known as a degree. So equation we can write like this also, this, that is m raised to 10 plus 2m plus 3. So this is your one required polynomial. We required 2 there, so second what will be, we can write x raised to 10 plus x raised to 7 plus 1. This is your another example. Now we'll come to the question number 3. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Some polynomials are given here and which we have to be sort out in the different types. What is polynomials given? M square plus 3m plus 1. Next is given as x plus 2. Next n cube plus 3. Then y cube plus 2y plus 4. Then x plus 6 and 5p plus p cube plus 2. So we will sort out this linear, quadratic and cubic. So very simple, it is linear. Now we'll see which having the only one as a high degree. So it is here x plus 2 and another we will get as x plus 6. So these are our two linear equations or linear polynomials. As like this quadratic we will have this. Here it is given m square plus 3m plus 1. So degree is 2. So that's why it is also your quadratic. And another here is having y square plus 2y plus 4. Degree is 2. So that's why it is also your quadratic. And remaining 2 are your cubic equations or cubic polynomial. That is n cube plus 3 and 5p plus p cube plus 2. Okay. I hope you understand this first part. Now we will see remaining part in the next video.